Hello students, welcome to maths classes. Today in the MCQ series of class 12, we are going to take some more questions on applications of derivatives. So let's take our first question for today. Your first question is, the equation of normal to the curve y is equals to sin x at 0, 0 is what? So you are supposed to find, you are given a curve y is equals to sin x and you are supposed to find out the equation of normal at 0, 0. Let p is any point 0, 0 on this curve. So we are supposed to find out the equation of normal. Let this be the tangent at 0, 0. So this line will be the normal at 0, 0. So we are supposed to find out the equation of normal. Now normal is a line on which you are already given a point. अगर आपको normal का slope पता चल जाए, then you will make the equation of normal. Now for the slope of normal, we can use derivatives. So first of all, we are going to start with finding out the derivative of your function. And derivative of your function is cos x. Now, what is the slope of normal? Let m be the slope of normal and this is defined as minus 1 upon derivative at p and p is 0, 0. तो minus 1 upon आपके डेरिवेटिव में x is equals to 0, y is equals to 0 आप पुट करेंगे, y तो रिफ्लेक्ट ही नहीं कर रहा, so cos 0 and cos 0 is 1. So derivative slope of normal is minus 1. Now the equation of normal at 0, 0 with slope minus 1 is, आपका पॉइंट ये गिवन है और स्लोप ये गिवन है एंड सो योर इक्वेशन इज y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. So y is equals to minus x or y plus x is equals to 0 is the required equation of normal. So your option C is correct. Your next question is, the tangent to the curve y is equals to e raised to power 2x at the point 0, 1 meets x-axis at what point? So you are given a curve, suppose your curve y is equals to e raised to power 2x is this curve and you have to find the tangent to this curve. Let this be the tangent to this curve at the point 0, 1. Now you have to find where this tangent meets x-axis. So first of all, we are supposed to find out the equation of tangent. तभी हम पता लगा पाएंगे कि ये tangent line x-axis को कहाँ meet कर रही है. So first of all, we are going to find out the equation of tangent. And for the equation of tangent, we are given a point on this tangent line. So first, we are going to find out the slope of tangent. And for the slope of tangent, we will find the derivative of our function. So the derivative of our function is e raised to power x का derivative e raised to power x and in turn 2x का derivative 2. Now this is the derivative of your function. Now the slope of, let m be the slope of tangent at p. So the slope of tangent will be derivative at p और derivative के अंदर x is equals to 0 and y is equals to 1 put करेंगे, then you will get the x को 0 put किया तो e raised to power 0 is 1. So your slope of tangent is 2. Now we can find the equation of tangent and equation of tangent will be at this p 0, 1 with slope 2. तो आपका एक पॉइंट दिया हुआ है टेंजेंट लाइन पे और उसका स्लोप भी गिवन है, So the equation of tangent will be y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. So y minus 1 is equals to 2x, or we can say that y is equals to 2x plus 1. This is the required equation of tangent. Now अगर आपकी टेंजेंट की इक्वेशन ये आ गई है y इज इक्वल्स टू 2x प्लस 1, तो आप ये वाली लाइन आपकी दिस टेंजेंट लाइन मीट्स x एक्सिस व्हेन टेंजेंट दिस मीट x axis where y is equals to 0, when y is equals to 0. तो y को अगर आप 0 पुट करते हैं तो you will get x is equals to minus half. x is equals to minus half आ गया और y is equals to 0. So the required point is minus half comma 0. So your option C is correct. Your next question is, the line y is equals to x plus 1 is a tangent to the curve y square is equals to 4x at what point? So you are given a curve y square is equals to 4x and a tangent, a line which is tangent to it. So you are supposed to find out the point of contact कि ये जो लाइन है ये किस पॉइंट पर टेंजेंट, ये वाली लाइन इस कर्व पर किस पॉइंट पे टेंजेंट है. सो लेट दिस पॉइंट P इज HK. तो सो यू आर सपोज टू फाइंड आउट दिस पॉइंट P. To find out the two variables, we need two equations. First equation will come कि ये जो point है this will satisfy this equation. This point lies on this line, so K P lies on y is equals to x plus 1. That will imply K is equals to h plus 1. This is your first equation. And P also lies on y square is equals to 4x. So that will imply that K minus or we can say K square is equals to 4. X क्या है? H. So these are the two equations in H and K. Now we can do one thing. We can substitute the value of K here. 1 and 2 को अगर आप solve करते हैं then K की जगह you can substitute h plus 1 is equals to 4h. So h square plus 2h plus 1 is equals to 4h. So h square minus 2h plus 1 is equals to 0. So h minus 1 is equals to 0. So h will be equals to 1. When h is equals to 1, you will get K is equals to 2. So the required point P is HK and that is equals to 1 and 2. So your option A is correct. Your next question is, the point on the curve x square is equals to 2y which is nearest to the point 0, 5. So you are given a curve. Suppose x square is equals to 2y is this curve and there is a point on this curve, suppose HK. You have to find a point HK which is nearest to this point. Another point is 0, 5. This point is given and you are supposed to find a point P such that this distance is minimum. So you have to minimize D distance. Now let what is D? Using distance formula, your D will come out square root h minus 0 whole square plus k minus 5 whole square. Okay, D is equals to square root h square plus k square minus 10k plus 25. Now you have to minimize this d, but d is in two variables h and k. आप इसको कैसे, आपको पता है कि this hk, this p lies on this, p lies on this curve x square is equals to 2y. So p is hk, so h square will be equals to 2k. तो आप इसे यूज करके आप इसको रिड्यूस कर सकते हैं अपने एक ही वेरिएबल में. सो एच स्क्वायर विल बी 2k, तो इट विल कम 2k माइनस 10k is minus 8k plus 25. Now our purpose is to minimize this d, but d is minimum when d square is minimum. So let z is a function which is d square. तो d square क्या आ जाएगा आपके पास, k square minus 8k plus 25. तो आप वो पॉइंट निकाल सकते हैं जहां पर z मिनिमम है. So now to minimize z, first of all we are going to take the critical points of z, stationary points. So to find the stationary points we are going to differentiate for once, and this the derivative of z with respect to k is 2k minus 8. Now for stationary points, dz by dk will be equals to 0. So 2k minus 8 will be equals to 0, and this will implies k is equals to 8 upon 2, that is 4. Now we will check whether k is a point of minima or not, and for that you are going to differentiate z again. So d square z by dk square will be 2 only. तो सेकेंड डेरिवेटिव आपके सामने है, बट सेकेंड डेरिवेटिव एट k इज इक्वल्स टू 4, क्योंकि सेकेंड डेरिवेटिव तो पॉजिटिव कांस्टेंट ही है. सो इट विल बी एट k इज इक्वल्स टू 4 भी वो कांस्टेंट ही रहेगा, and this is positive. So second derivative at this point is positive, that implies that k is equals to 4 is a point of minima. That implies your z, that will implies that z is minimum at k is equals to 4. तो d is also minimum at k is equals to 4. तो k is equals to 4 पे आपका d मिनिमम है. तो k अगर 4 है तो your if k is equals to 4 implies h square is equals to 2 into 4 8, or h can be plus or minus 2 root 2. So your required point will be your required point p will be plus minus 2 root 2 or 4, but आपके ऑप्शंस में पॉजिटिव 2 root 2 4 रिफ्लेक्ट कर रहा है. सो योर ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट. Your next question is the slope of tangent to the curve x is equals to t square plus 3t minus 8, y is equals to 2t square minus 2t minus 5. तो आपको फंक्शन एक पैरामीट्रिक फंक्शन गिवन है, and you are supposed to find out the slope of tangent at this point. Now the slope of tangent is derivative at this point. So first of all we are supposed to find out the derivative of this function. X is equals to t square plus 3t minus 8 and y is equals to 2t square minus 2t minus 5. Now differentiate x with respect to t. So it will come out 2t plus 3, and differentiating y with respect to t we will get 4t minus 2. Now our purpose is to find dy by dx, and that is equals to dy by dt upon dx by dt. Now dy by dt is equals to 4t minus 2 and dx by dt is equals to 2t plus 3. So this is the derivative. But if you observe, your derivative function is in terms of t, but you have to find the derivative at this point, and you are given the value of x and y. And so when at t your x is 2 and y is -1, so x और y की वैल्यू से फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी आर गोइंग टू फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ t. तो आप x क्या है आपका 2, तो 2x की जगह अगर आप 2 फिट करते हैं देन 2 इज इक्वल्स टू टी स्क्वायर प्लस 3t माइनस 8 एंड y इज इक्वल्स टू -1 इज इक्वल्स टू 2t स्क्वायर माइनस 2t माइनस 5. This will give you t square plus 3t and this will be -10 is equals to 0. So you will have two factors -5 and 2, so or +5 and -2. Okay, so two factors will be there, t plus 5 and t minus 2, and you will get two values 2 and -5 from here. And from this equation you will get 2t square minus 2t. It will give अगर इसको यहाँ शिफ्ट करोगे it will become +1, and finally -4 is equals to 0. So this will reduce to t square minus t minus 2 is equals to 0, and the factors of -2 will be -2 into 1. So -2 into 1 will be the factors. So you will get two factors, t minus 2 and t plus 1, and respectively you will get two roots, t is equals to 2 and -1. बट आपको t की वो वैल्यूज चाहिए जो दोनों इक्वेशंस को सेटिस्फाई कर रही हो, एंड दैट इज t इज इक्वल्स टू 2. तो आपका पैरामीटर की वैल्यू क्या हो गई? व्हेन x इज इक्वल्स टू 2 एट t, व्हेन x इज इक्वल्स टू 2 एंड y इज इक्वल्स टू -1, योर t इज 2. सो यू आर सपोज टू फाइंड आउट द स्लोप ऑफ टेंजेंट at 2 minus 1, and that is equals to derivative at 2 minus 1, and that is equals to derivative at t is equals to 2. तो डेरिवेटिव फंक्शन आपका क्या है 4, t की जगह आप 2 पुट कर सकते हैं, and by substituting t is equals to 2 you will get 8 minus 2 is 6 and 4 plus 3 is 7. So your derivative is 6/7. So your option B is correct.